Visit us on onestepenglish.education.
Hello. Welcome to English Conversation course of One Step English.
Today, we are talking about nice words for a talk. Part 2. In the last two videos, we already discussed the expressions, what's up, run into, fancy running into you here, for ages, before you know it, as soon as, used to, try, there is, or there are, wow, I'll bet, no way, on the, trendy, run-of-the-mill, dip, the thing is, a step in the right direction, be about to, which reminds me, have one's fingers crossed, pumped, bank on, and, splurge. Now in this video, we are going to discuss the 8 expressions that were used in Start a Talk. Let's get started.
Get together. To get together means to meet. For example,
how did they do that?
They get together every week to discuss their research. Get together.
They get together every week to discuss their research. Keep in touch. To keep in touch means to continue to contact each other. For example,
what did they do to remain friends?
They have kept in touch for more than 30 years. Kept in touch.
They have kept in touch for more than 30 years. Catch up. To catch up can mean to find out the news of a friend you haven't seen in a while. For example,
it's so nice to see you. How are you?
I'm good. Let's get together for lunch tomorrow. We have a lot to catch up on. Catch up.
I'm good. Let's get together for lunch tomorrow. We have a lot to catch up on. Get ahead of oneself. To get ahead of oneself means to make plans based on something that may not happen. For example,
I am planning already what will be the name of our children.
You just met him. Aren't you getting ahead of yourself? Getting ahead of yourself.
You just met him. Aren't you getting ahead of yourself? Have a feeling. To have a feeling about something is to think that it might be true or might happen. For example, does Julie knows about Joshua to set them up on a date?
They've never met, but I have a feeling they might like each other. Have a feeling.
They've never met, but I have a feeling they might like each other. Make sure. To make sure means to follow all of the steps that will lead to a desired outcome. For example,
can I take your car? I have an emergency.
You can take my car, but make sure you bring it back by 5 o'clock. Make sure.
You can take my car, but make sure you bring it back by 5 o'clock. Let someone know. To let someone know means to tell a person information that he or she needs. For example,
Can you pick me up tonight?
I'm not sure. I'll let you know as soon as my car is fixed. Let you know.
I'm not sure. I'll let you know as soon as my car is fixed. Me, too. Me, too, is a way of saying that you agree with something positive that someone has said, or that you have an activity in common with someone else. For example,
I really like living in Japan.
Me, too. Me, too.
me, too.
I'm going home now.
Me, too. Me, too.
Me, too.
Let's test your knowledge.
Choose the letter of the correct answer. Quiz number 1.
One. Always, blank, your best. A. Try to do. B. Try doing. The correct answer is, letter A. Try to do. Always try to do your best. Two. I love these shoes. I'm going to, blank. A. Try them on. B. Try them out. The correct answer is, letter A. Try them on. I love these shoes. I'm going to try them on. Three. Before you buy any machine you should first, blank. A. Try it out. B. Try it on. The correct answer is, letter A. Try it out. Before you buy any machine you should first try it out. Four. You're a very good driver. Thanks, blank. A. I try to. B. I try. The correct answer is, letter B. I try. You're a very good driver. Thanks, I try. Five. I can't get my finger to stop bleeding. Blank, a bandage on it. A. Try out. B. Try putting. The correct answer is, letter B. Try putting. I can't get my finger to stop bleeding. Try putting a bandage on it.
Let's test your knowledge.
Choose the letter of the most appropriate response to each question, or remark. Quiz number 2.
One. What are you up to? A. I'm pumped up. B. I'm about to go on vacation. The correct answer is, letter B. I'm about to go on vacation. 2. I'm going back to school. A. Don't get ahead of yourself. B. That's a step in the right direction. The correct answer is, letter B. That's a step in the right direction. 3. Be sure to talk to my friend. He's in charge of the program. A. Thanks for the tip. B. I'll run into him. The correct answer is letter A. Thanks for the tip. 4. Fancy meeting you here. A. Yes, what a coincidence. B. I haven't seen him for ages. The correct answer is letter A. Yes, what a coincidence. 5. It was great to see you again. A. I'll catch up with you. B. Be sure to keep in touch. The correct answer is letter B. Be sure to keep in touch.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.